morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Thursday, February 25th, 2021.
Please stand for the pledge to the flags.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one indivisible. Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
Now here's our kindness ambassador, Matthew, to announce our friendly Falcons.
Today's first friendly Falcon is Miss Nixon, who's nominated by Miss Bermudez. Miss Bermudez said she is an amazing teammate, always has a smile on her face, and keeps positive attitude. She also goes out of her way to help others. Our next friendly Falcon is Ian and Miss Sanders' homeroom. Ian was nominated by Elliot because he is Elliot's best friend and lets Elliot play with him. Thanks for keeping Indian Creek kind.
This week is Indian Creek's Read Around the World. We are celebrating our similarities, differences, and culture through literature. There's also some cool music to listen to from various cultures. Let's make this a great week of reading.
February is Black History Month. Today we will be honoring Louis Armstrong. Louis Armstrong was born on August 4th, 1901, in New Orleans, Louisiana. After a hard childhood, Armstrong learned to play and cornet while living in a boys' home. In 1914, he learned to play the trumpet from a professional musician named Joe King Oliver. By the 1920s, Armstrong became famous for his voice and trumpet talents and unique style. He was accepted into the Grammy Hall of Fame.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be rainy with a high of 56 and a low of 45.
Happy birthday to Kennedy McGee, Annabelle, Audrey Parrish, Piper Thompson, Hannah Schiller, Jolie Knight, Jolie Lewis, Cora Pearson, Juliette Pearson, Damian True, Marcelo Marino, Arab Devadi, Bree Murray, and Noah Santos. Happy birthday!
Today in history, in 1791, George Washington signs a bill creating the Bank of the United States.
Today is National Toast Day. This day celebrates the simple yet delicious breakfast.
In the headlines, without power, this Texas restaurant gave out 500 plus free meals to those in need. After the horrible winter storms, the owners of Bella Itala
restaurant in Plano used their gas stoves and ovens to feed spaghetti and lasagna to over 500 people. This was the first hot meal for many in days.
Today's fun fact is the man who founded Atari also started Chuck E. Cheese.
Cool. Wow.
Now for the joke of today. Hey Leah, why do we tell actors to break a leg?
I don't know.
Because every play has a cast.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together. Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Aaliyah.
And I'm Aaliyah.
That's Larry and that's Sienna. Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Pump, 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 pump.